Racing just is started. We have inspiring break quickly at the start. Burgundy Harbor Magic in the middle. Then comes Mirabal Royal Family while Tiffany's Beauty is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Burgundy by about 3 lengths. Harbor Magic is right behind in second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Inspiring Mirabal Royal Family, while Tiffany's Beauty is still racing in last, but this time by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have Burgundy by about 2 lengths. And in second is Harbor Magic Inspiring. Moving up now the outside. Mirabal comes next. Royal Family. While Tiffany's Beauty is still racing in less than at a fourth turn. Inspiring Harbor Magic are finding out for the lead. Burgundy in third. Mirabal Royal Family and a long way back to Tiffany's Beauty, who's racing in last as they swing for home. Inspiring and Harbor Magic are fighting out for the lead. Inspiring Harbor Magic, Harbor Magic, Inspiring Harbor Magic, Harbor Magic, Inspiring, and finally it's going to be Harbor Magic, Inspiring, Mirabal, Burgundy, Royal Family, and Tiffany's Beauty.
3165. Kala ko.
A little scared.
Oo.
Yung
8